back here on Kevin's Olds. It's been a while. We had a whole issue with the instrument cluster. Don't get me started. Thanks, FedEx. Yeah, so we had to make 2 clusters out of 1, and it's been quite a cluster. Let's just put it that way. Okay, that wasn't funny. So back at it. I'm getting cranking here. I'm gonna do the Pertronix. I'm gonna start buttoning up stuff under the hood here. We do need to get a different upper radiator hose because obviously this ain't right. But we ain't gonna put a flex hose because that's not right either. So we need like a little zig with a zag. But we'll get one. We'll find it. Away we go. So the GM style points distributors, a lot of them use 1181 Pertronix. So it's not like you slip a reluctor over the lobes for the points to run off of. On these, it's a magnetic ring that comes up underneath the weights and the springs in the distributor. Comes up, and then it goes up and through your rotor, and then it's nutted down. So I'll show you how that goes in. Pretty sure I've shown it before somewhere because I've done a million of these, but been surprised before. Alright, so with these GM style Pertronix units, they come with washers to act as shims, because you do not want more than 60 thousandths between the reluctor and the pickup. Well, I got 2 washers in now, which I always start with, and as you can see, we're touching even when we pull up all the way. So need to pull everything back out real quick. I'm gonna take and replace one and see where we end up. It's all just a little trial and error. But, you know, you gotta take time to do things right, which a lot of people don't do around here. All right, so we have no spacers in now. Let's see how we're, even when we come all the way up, we're still under our 60 thousandths. We are, as my buddy Big T would say, golden like a shower. All right, we got our cap on, our plug wires in and situated in their looms, both sides. Coming along. I still need to wire up our Pertronix, but we'll get to that. Got the coil in, had to do a little fiddling with the bracket. Got our ballast resistor back. Everything is there where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna throw some solder on this because it's looking a little iffy. So we'll solder that baby up. But getting things done. Making progress. Tightened up the carb too, got it all bolted down the rest of the way. Gonna try to do our fuel pump too, just get it mounted. Just progress.